How to create a second account and switch accounts in Clash Royale. In this video, I'll show you how you can create a second account and switch accounts in Clash Royale. So to get started, go ahead and open the Clash Royale app into your device and then click on the burger icon at the top right and then select Supercell ID from here or settings and then click on this connected button and that will take you into your Supercell account. Now click on the gear icon at the top left of your Supercell account and then from here click on switch account and then into the section you can go ahead and click on this log into Supercell ID button. So once you click on that, you'll be able to create a second account using another email. So you need to enter another email when signing up for a new Supercell account and then you need to verify that email since Supercell will send a verification code into that specific email, and once you have verified it, you can go ahead and add that account into this device for the Clash Royale game.